Hello and welcome to BAPSTARCADE. Today I'm going to be testing out some more of the features of ZX Retro Wireless. So stay tuned and I'll see you in a bit. So the first thing we'll do is connect it up. Now the full tutorial, if you like, for connecting the ZX Retro Wireless is in one of my previous videos. So if you want to go ahead and watch that first, then that's fine. So once it's all connected, we'll switch it on. So one of the cool features of the ZX Retro Wireless is the sound to light option, which is to do with this little flashing LED light here. And what we can do is, if we select a demo, for instance, that with some music, and we can load it up, and then we'll turn the volume up on the external speaker. And as you can see, the light reacts to the music. And this music you can hear is from a demo called Zeus's Demo, and it was made by Dave Clark. So another one of the little cool features of the ZX Retro Wireless is these little rubber feet. And that allows it to sit anywhere, any surface that you decide to rest your ZX Retro Wireless on. So another thing that you get when you purchase the ZX Retro Wireless is you get this cool cassette box. But you also get this superb certificate of authenticity, which is pretty awesome. So you've got your hardware reference there, which refers to the security tag on your ZX Retro wireless. Signed by Richard Szerman, and we've got here designed by Richard Szerman, and you've got a production date. Now I've got the pre-production alpha release. Yours will obviously say that it's the full release when you get it, but it's an excellent certificate. Also got in here, your purchase, this certifies that the ZX Retro wireless you have purchased is an authentic hardware release, handmade in the United Kingdom, limited edition run, individually numbered, produced to celebrate 40 years of the ZX Spectrum by the Next Launcher team, in conjunction with Cancer Research UK fundraiser. So there you go. Awesome certificate. So as well as the certificate, you now get this awesome A5 manual, and this obviously gives you an introduction, gives you a rundown of all the unique features. You've got the complete setup, how to pair it with your Apple or Android device. You've got a list of the software that the ZX Retro wireless is compatible with. This manual also supports the ZX Spectrum 48K version of the ZX Retro wireless. That will be covered in an additional video. And you've got technical support, and there's a disclaimer on there as well. So a nice, neat little manual for you to read. So another one of the awesome features is the ability to load a game in a faster speed, so a ×2 speed. So what we need to do is, with the app, first of all, we will select the double speed. So after we've selected double speed using Launcher, I've just tried ZX tape player, that didn't seem to work with double speed. But if we download another app called Play ZX, and we can search for a game. Ooh. Simple Shift J, 2 for double speed. We'll select next. That seems to be loading there. So here we go, Jetpack is loading, double speed. So there you go, double speed loading. So all you need to remember to do is knock down your volume a couple of notches and then your game should load okay. So one little issue I found is if we load a game up in double speed, once we start the game it's actually running in 7 megahertz. So we need to press the yellow button, knock it back down to 3.5, hit return, and then your game will run at normal speed. So that's it for another video. Hope you enjoyed the second preview of some of the features of the ZX Retro Wireless. Check out my previous video for the ZX Retro Wireless, the alpha version. Coming up will be a brand new video for the 48K version of the ZX Spectrum Wireless, so make sure you check that out, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Ta-da!